Hello everybody, welcome back to Californication with me, Matt. Today we're going to be doing some driving heads up with the camera on the head, so all nice and safe, activated, hands-free. It's for any issues with the law. So yeah, this is the VW California T7 Ocean, and yeah, this is what it's like to actually drive it.
In 1 mile, there is traffic congestion on A26.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Due to queuing traffic.
There you go. So yeah, this is a very clever vehicle. It's all got the most up-to-date safety features, and yeah, very comfortable, based on the car platform rather than a van platform. So the difference in driving is amazing, immense. Loads of hands-free features on here. No haptic buttons. Great heads-up display. When I say heads-up display, I mean the display with the LCD, so you can actually do all the changes to the view, etc. And I should have gone down that turning. Never mind. So it gives you all the information you need. You can change all the different screens as well, so you can go backwards and forward and make differences, changes when you're kind of safe to do so. But you can go through all this and change exactly where you want to see it at any time. So yeah, it's got all the adaptive cruise control on this one. So as you can see here, it's telling me there's a nice big lorry up ahead. So it's quite a clever feature. So I can literally stick that on, and now the vehicle, when it's in traffic, this is great for them long journeys. No acceleration, no braking. And it will literally do it all itself. It has lane assist as well. It's really good, so if you do start going out drifting off on a motorway, it will make sure you get pushed back across. It's got all the different selections for phones and whatnot, so you've got all the media controls in here. Android Auto as standard, wireless or wired. So there you go, the vehicle's actually moving itself, not touching the pedals. So this assistance is absolutely brilliant. For me, I use this all the time because it takes a lot of stress away from those long journeys. So yeah, lots of hands-free features on here. So you can do things like defog the windows. You can press the button here, defog the windows.
Sure, defogging the front windscreen.
There you go. So it does things like that. You can also name your van or whatever you want to do with it. So you can then call it and make it stop it. So Walter, stop defogging.
Okay, I've stopped defogging the windscreen.
And I got this little man here because this is my little buddy who helps me out. So you can see the control setup here. It's a nice big display, and yeah, it has all the different bits and pieces on here, so you can go through this when you're stopped. I'm obviously stopped at the moment. Great thing as well, you got the California app all built in here as well, so that's another nice little thing to have on the display. Oh yeah, it's just reminding me I've got wastewater and freshwater still on board. We went away the other week and I still haven't done that, so when I get home I've got to get all that sorted out because I don't want that sitting in here. Air conditioning, all that sort of stuff can be all controlled by here. Now I've never done this, but we're going to try this one day. We're going to do the park assist, but we'll do another video on that, exactly how that works, because I've never used it. I don't tend to use it in here because I find it's easy enough to park, because you've got massive mirrors all the way around. You can get good visibility behind, and right when it says AC ready to start, if you just, well, I didn't even have to press it today. Normally you press restart or reset or whatever it is, this button here, and it will then take you on board. But I literally didn't do anything then, and it's decided to start driving forward for me. So this is a very relaxing bit of driving to do when you've got it all set up in this mode. So I really would recommend using this. I use it all the time.
There is traffic congestion on
Yeah.
A26 with a delay of 13 minutes due to queuing traffic.
Yeah, we know that. But yeah, enjoy the video. I hope you like it. You've got all your controls here. Obviously no rear windows on this one, but you've got controls. You can do the child lock to stop them getting out if you don't want to get out. Unlock the van from here. You've got all your lighting control here, so that pretty much stays in auto for me. You've got all your shortcut buttons down here, so you have got a shortcut button for climate, but as I said, you can do a lot of this for your voice control anyway, and you can do things like sort out your assistance, but we don't really touch that. Parking menu, so that's for your parking feature if you want to use it. As I said, we'll do that another day. And then you've got your mode, so you can set this in different modes as well, which is not letting me because it thinks we want to park, but let's put that into a mode. There you go. We'll whack that in eco. We're in sport at the moment for some reason. I think because I pulled out earlier, I used that. So in eco mode, that'll obviously then help with your miles per gallon. At the minute I'm doing 35.5. I've had this up to 52, believe it or not. So it's a very efficient van. This is the 2 litre diesel version. I hope you liked the video. I enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, let me know.